The scope of the project was kind of twofold. They built a brand new building there, and we installed roughly, I think it was about 40 to 42 systems. They're now taking out an old facility, moving everything into that new facility, which required more cranes, reconfiguration of the cranes, which we did in 3 phases now. And it was helping with the workflow of which way everything was going to flow better and get more maximization out of each crane.
It does flow better. We see a lot more active movement instead of waiting times. And, previously there was a lower quantity and efficiency of the crane systems that we had. People would wait for the cranes. They'd have to stage their products accordingly. Now the right system is there at the right time. They can move right on to what they need to be doing. So we've seen a productivity improvement with them. In the previous state, with pushing the entire gantry around, it added an extra 500 pounds to everything that he had to push. So slowed him down and made him less productive. He had a bunch of extra people that had to be moved out of the way for him. And now with the ability to just pick things up and have everything ready to go for him, he's faster, he's more effective, and as we saw, he seems pretty happier. Everybody that we've talked to about it has been happy with the change. We went from 3 bridges to 9 in the same rows, and so that increase of having a dedicated one allows them to get access to the crane whenever they need it, and unloading whatever box that they need to unload without having to wait for another one. So that's saved a good 15 minutes per picking series. We designed our facility for optimal flow, and the crane system was able to match our flow. So we weren't limited by what the crane systems were. We built the building and the flows for the most productivity, and the cranes were able to flex around that.